Today, we're going to talk about the challenges and opportunities of public speaking in digital spaces. With the rise of virtual meetings, webinars, and online conferences, adapting your speaking skills for virtual presentations is more important than ever. Whether you're speaking to a camera or engaging with an online audience, you have to adjust the way you present your ideas. Let's get into how you can effectively deliver speeches and presentations in digital environments. The point is to be clear and concise with your content when speaking to an online audience. Online audiences will get easily distracted and the span of their attention is limited, so you need to be quick and to the point. In a virtual environment, less is more. Chunk your material into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Do not be verbose. Emphasize simplicity in your language to allow the faster transmission of your ideas. Keep your audience interested. Adapt your message to the needs and likes of the audience. Tell stories, use examples, and use pictures to explain your points and to make your content more relatable. A virtual audience will most likely disengage themselves for a presentation that is not relevant and to the point. A good technical setup includes camera positioning, lighting, and sound quality. All these should bring out a professional and engaging virtual presentation. Place the camera at eye level. This way, it seems as though you're making eye contact with your viewers. This will help the viewer feel much closer to you and help you, the host, appear more engaged and confident. Adequate lighting is key to achieving great image quality that communicates professionalism. Depending on the availability, it is always recommended to use natural light. A ring light or desk lamp in front of you can enhance face visibility. Stay away from strong backlighting or dark places that can make shadows or hide you. Clear audio is vital for effective communication. Use a high-quality microphone to ensure your voice is heard clearly. Test your audio setup before the presentation to avoid technical issues and consider using headphones with a built-in microphone if you're in a noisy environment. It is tough to engage an audience that is based remotely, but interactive tools keep their interest in presentations and help interact with them online. Using polling tools to ask questions and get feedback from your audience right away. This encourages people to join in and helps you see how your audience feels and understands. Ask your audience to use chat features to ask questions or share their ideas. This helps everyone engage in real time and makes the presentation more interactive and like a conversation. Breakout rooms work by dividing participants into smaller groups during large online events to engage with the discussion or activity. This allows the participant to engage in closer settings and allows for more discussion or deeper talks. Keeping your presence and energy in a virtual space is important to hold your audience's attention. Even if you're not in the same room, you can still build a strong connection through how you present yourself. Looking at your camera is like looking at your audience. It reduces detachedness and increases engagement level. Basically, try not to look down towards your screen or notes a lot, because then one can seem to be distracted or disinterested in communication. Be demonstrative in your body language to show your enthusiasm and genuineness. Your audience may see only your upper body, but gestures and facial expressions can help emphasize your message and your passion for the subject. Now, let's do a virtual presentation exercise applying these techniques. Deliver a short presentation through an online platform such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams. If possible, try to utilize interactive tools like polls or chart features to keep the audience interested. Speaking in a digital environment requires different skills and strategies compared to when you're having a face-to-face talk. You can give online presentations that are solid and effective by adjusting your content for online audience, setting your technology properly, and using interactive tools to engage your audience. Keep your presence and energy high, even on a screen, to establish meaningful engagement with your audience. Practice these techniques and you will be well prepared to excel in any digital speaking environment.